getting ready to leave. We're just getting ready to leave. John's going to grab his last cup of coffee, and everything's out of the toaster oven. Everything's secured. One of the things we discovered is by taking those bumper pads out, this gives you some secure storage for some items while you're traveling. The other thing is I put the curtains down this time. It's like a shower rod that we had put up. And so the bikes are in the back, so it makes it a little nicer to look back there and when you're sleeping on the road while you're traveling. Secure the shower door. Let's go inside. And I'll check the area. Look around, make sure we didn't leave anything behind. Have to make sure we lock this door. But we took a broom this time. It was very helpful. Store it right in the with the bikes. They're in there. And you know, we didn't use these chairs much. So we're actually thinking that we might take those chairs out and make more storage for the bikes. I don't know. We're still thinking on that. Anyway, looking good. Just about ready to leave. Hey, so we made it to Selma, North Carolina, day one of our return back north, and we're back at the same place that we stayed coming down.